Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin. If you're new, I make tons of different videos. I do day in the life vlogs, unboxing hauls, travel videos, fashion, really just everything. Today I'm super excited because I'm teaming up with Protein World and I'm going to share some of their products with all of you. Recently, I've been getting a lot more serious about my health and fitness. I've been working out a ton, and when you work out a ton, you definitely need protein to support your diet. Now, I had never heard of this brand before, and chances are if you live in the US, you also have never heard of them because they are a UK-based brand. However, they ship to 74 different countries, including the United States. And of course, I do have a discount code with them. It's PW Caitlin. And I believe that will give you 40% off your order. So I'll pop it on the screen here. And in case any of this looks good to you and you're also on a health journey and want to increase your protein, check them out. I'll leave the link down below and use my code for some money off. So I'm going to be sharing with all of you guys today everything that's in this fun yellow box from Protein World. I got a bunch of different products, and now this is like a first impressions video. I haven't tried anything out yet at this point. But I will be trying it out over the course of the next few weeks. So stay subscribed to my channel if you want to see more of that and how I incorporate this in my daily life. But a little bit of backstory about Protein World. It was founded in 2012, and like I said, it's a UK-based company, so you may not be super familiar with it. When it was founded, the founder really wanted to bridge the gap in women's nutrition, and he wanted to combine pharmaceuticals with sports nutrition, and Protein World was born. It's definitely a great brand if you know you're an athlete, you're very active, or you're just looking to add more protein into your diet. So let me show you what I got. First up, I got the Slender Blend, which is like their signature protein powder. It comes in different flavors. It's 201 calories per scoop. But something I really like about this brand is it's all GMO free, and it's also soy free. And soy actually really irritates my digestive tract. I've had other soy-based proteins before, and it's just made me feel like really bloated and not good. So I'm so excited that this does not have soy in it. And this flavor is vanilla ice cream. I love a good vanilla protein flavor. I feel like it's just subtle enough to mix in, you know, with smoothies, with your coffee, however you take your protein. So really excited to try this out. I also got a protein pancake mix, and this is in the vanilla chocolate chip flavor. I'm always looking to kind of switch up my breakfast routines. I'm not a huge breakfast person. I feel like the only thing I really like for breakfast is like eggs and toast, and I'm so boring. So I kind of want to step out of that breakfast rut. I feel like this would be really, really filling. Then I got some of their sleep gummies. They also make other nutrition products, not just protein. So they do make a sleep gummy. I'm not sure if this contains melatonin or not. It doesn't explicitly say on the label, but I know sometimes labels can be tricky to read, but I do know it contains a lot of more natural ingredients that help you fall asleep, like magnesium and chamomile flower. So I like that. It seems like this is a bit more of a natural approach than melatonin. Sometimes I do struggle with falling asleep, especially around my time of the month. I kind of get like mild insomnia, and like it takes me forever to fall asleep. So I do find myself reaching for melatonin sometimes, but if this is like a little bit more natural and better for you, I'm definitely going to be incorporating this into my nighttime routine. Finally, I got some protein bars. I love a good protein bar as a quick snack. Like I said, I've been going to these spin classes sometimes earlier, right after work. I don't have time to eat dinner, so I can, you know, just grab one of these and it will tie me over. So I got the Slender plant-based protein bars with peanut butter. Oh, I love a peanut butter protein bar. Just always tastes so good. It kind of tastes like, you know, a chocolate candy or something. So they have a lot of different flavors of these Slender bars, so be sure to check out Protein World. So that's all I wanted to just pop on here and film a really quick video. Like I said, I have a discount code with Protein World, so be sure to use that in case you're interested. Thanks so much to Protein World for working with me on this video, and thank you for watching, subscribing, and following along. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!